Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with shapes to make proportions reliable. Draw a vertical oval for the acorn body, then place a smaller circle that slightly overlaps the top as the cap center. Once done, add a light horizontal guide where the cap will sit so you know the angle. You do this to lock in symmetry and to avoid erasing late. Keep lines faint, they're guides, not final strokes, and they save time when you refine the outline. Next, you refine contours and add defining features. Outline the cap as a rounded dome and convert the overlapping circle into a scalloped bottom edge so it reads like textured leather. For the body, refine the oval into a tapered shape that narrows toward the bottom. This makes the acorn feel natural. Add a short stem at the cap top and a faint center seam line on the nut. Make sure to vary pressure so some lines are darker for final emphasis. To complete, render light and shadow to give volume. Shade with directional strokes, keeping the darkest values near the cap junction and the bottom to ground the form. Leave a subtle highlight on the nut where light would hit. Add texture lines or a crisscross pattern on the cap for detail, then step back and compare proportions. If something looks off, erase the guidelines and adjust the cap width or body taper. A quick tweak often fixes shape or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.